So hey guys, today I want to go over the last question about automatic campaigns. I get asked a lot, and it is, what do I do about different targeting groups of an automatic campaign that has no impressions? So the way I would approach this is I would create a separate campaign with that targeted group. So in other words, if you're not getting impressions for, let's say, compliments, which is usually the one you don't see that many impressions for what I've seen is compliments doesn't get that many impressions. So if that's the case for you and you want to test it out, you can create a separate campaign and call it automatic compliment campaign. And then you would give it its own budget and test it out and see if you do get impressions that way. So this is it, guys. This is my opinion on the matter. And as always, if you have any comments, any questions, or anything like that, go ahead and leave them below and I'll get right back to you, okay? Talk to you guys next week.